Hi, my name is Amandeep Singh and I am a CPA practicing in the Metro Vancouver region of British Columbia, Canada. In this video, I will discuss a commonly asked question regarding the CEBA loan, which is how to spend the Canada Emergency Business Account loan. You might want to watch my video by clicking the link shown on the screen's top right to learn about the eligibility requirements for the CEBA loan. Let's start with the latest update. The government has announced an expanded Canada Emergency Business Account called CEBA, which would enable businesses and not-for-profits eligible for CEBA loans and that continues to be seriously impacted by the pandemic to access an interest-free loan of up to $20,000. And the good news is that this loan is in addition to the original CEBA loan of $40,000. Half of this additional financing would be forgivable if repaid by December 31st, 2022. Additionally, the application deadline for CEBA is being expanded to December 31st, 2020. So the big question is how to spend the CEBA. There are limits on how you can use CEBA funds prescribed in your CEBA agreement with your financial institution. As we talk to some clients, we see two extremes. Either the business owners treat the CEBA funds as their birthday money, or they limit their spending to the so-called eligible non-deferrable expenses, or END expenses in short form. The END spenders are in frequent contact with their CPA who confirm whether or not every new purchase qualifies as eligible expenses or not. On the other hand, the birthday money spenders would spend the CEBA funds on anything from stock market investments to long weekend sales at the mall. The END spenders might be confused about two types of expenses: those required to qualify for CEBA and those that are allowed to be incurred using the CEBA funds. Let me give you some clarification on this. Eligible non-deferrable expenses are the expenses which you have to qualify for getting the CEBA loan if your payroll is below $20,000. The restrictive list definition of END can be found on the CEBA website. On the other hand, the CEBA agreements with various banks list the expenses which you are allowed to incur using your CEBA funds. For this video, let's refer to these expenses as allowable CEBA expenses. The term is much less restrictive. The END spenders might assume that they are only allowed to use the CEBA funds on the very restrictive END list of expenses. Please be advised that this is incorrect. I agree that there are limits on how CEBA funds can be used, but the allowable use is not limited to the END. In general, part of the CEBA attestation is meant to pay for salary or other fixed expenses. It also specifies that the loan will not be used for prepayment, refinancing existing indebtedness, or to pay dividends or distributions. Further, it cannot be used to increase management's compensation. Alright, I think it's enough for this video. If you got value out of this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified about our new tax updates, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Until then, bye.